Hey everybody, this is JJ Long from JJArtworks. Thank you so much for tuning in. I truly appreciate it. I wanted to come on here real quick because I'm really excited to report that I finally reached my goal of getting down to 10% body fat. I'm actually technically down to 9.7% body fat. I just got a DEXA scan yesterday at DexaFit Boston in Cambridge, and it's one of the most accurate body scans you can get. And I just wanted to do like a really quick documentary video before I go out the door to a cookout today and binge on ice cream and pizza and a ton of beer and just ruin all the progress I've made. So I'm just really quickly gonna show you what 9.7% looks like, because I had no clue. So yeah, I am pumped, dude. So pumped. No idea how pumped I am. This has been a very, very long journey. I'm not going to get into everything that I went through to get here. And I still have a lot more work to do, a lot more work to do. I want to put on some more muscle, and right now I'm actually at like 150 pounds, which is like super light for me. I haven't weighed this light since high school when I used to wrestle in high school at good old Melrose High. So this has been a weight that I haven't been at since I was like 18, which is really strange and odd, but this has been such a rewarding journey. I want to give a quick shout out to a bunch of people that have helped me out on this journey. The first person is my buddy, Steve Binari. I love you, dude. Thank you so much for your love and support and guidance over the years. Steve is one of my best friends from home. He is just a health and fitness guru. He's the epitome of a Greek Adonis. And thank you, buddy, just for your guidance and support over the years. And the other day, that quick phone call, really appreciate that. I also want to give a shout out to my Dojang at Tiger Ann's on Middlesex Street in Lowell. The support that you've given me through this journey has been awesome. Some of my classmates have been talking about the journey I've been on to try to get down to 10%. And I just really appreciate everything that the Dojang has done for me, because definitely doing Taekwondo once or twice a week, it's helped burn down the calories, and it's just kind of holding me accountable as well. And that's a different video for another day, but my Taekwondo journey has really been a huge part of me trying to get down to 10%. Getting down to 10%, I feel stronger when I'm sparring, and I just feel overall more athletic at the Dojang, so I'm having a lot of fun with that. And then also I want to give a quick shout out to DexaFit in Boston, DexaFit Boston in Cambridge, Massachusetts. I literally just met them yesterday. I booked a super quick appointment. I went on their website on a Thursday night. There was a 9:20 a.m. slot on Friday to get a quick body fat scan, and I'm like, yep, I want to do it. I think I'm almost there. And within minutes, I had the report in my hand. It's awesome. It feels really cool. And I'll probably show that DEXA scan, probably post that on Instagram or Facebook at some point. But just thank you so much, everybody, for your love and support. My family, my friends, everyone that knows that I've been trying to achieve this just because I'm trying to get camera ready. Even though all this crap's going on with SAG and every union known to the world's going on strike, that doesn't mean that the work stops for me. I want to be in the best shape of my life, so when things are back to normal, I can just start auditioning again. And if nothing happens, then I'm just gonna create my own content, okay? And that's another big reason why I wanna keep beefing up this YouTube channel. But thank you so much, everybody, for your love and support. And if you have dreams, keep pursuing them, keep pushing forward, and I'll talk to you in another video. Have a good one. Much love and support, everybody. Bye.